So how to make money off Bitcoin without trading Bitcoin? That's the answer that you get from this video. And I just want to show you exactly how I do it, because it's just about working with the sympathy play. And basically what you do is that you take the underlying asset, that's the big asset, that's your reference, which is Bitcoin. And you have all these Bitcoin holders and all these people that talk about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is going to the moon. That's fantastic. But there are other ways. If you don't have, for example, $20,000, or if you don't want to buy a fraction of Bitcoin, which I never do, and I never buy Bitcoin. I believe in the blockchain. Yeah, I do believe in technology. But I mean, the coins, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, it's all the same to me. But where do I make the money then? Because that's a real question, where you can find a place to make money. So basically, first you have to look into the underlying asset, okay? So this is the underlying asset, and the way it works, if this is bullish, then I go and trade, for example, RIOT. I'm just gonna open these. RIOT, blockchain. There you go. It's a bunch of lines that I have. Take this one out. Okay. So for example, RIOT blockchain, it closed 20% for the week. That's pretty awesome. I mean, if you think about it, at some point the S&P 500 for the whole year was down 20%. And this whole thing in a week is the yield is like 20%. But if you look closely, you see it's way better. It's actually from the low to the top, make 36% in a week. That's awesome. That's a great return. So basically what I do is that I have RIOT, and all I do, for example, it closes 7. I go to quote media, and I just look for options. RIOT, click there. And then if I'm betting, if I'm expecting to make money in the week, then all I have to do is, okay, November 4 is the expiration. Then I can take the $7, I can take the $7.50. A lot of people say, well, I don't have money. Well, actually, this whole thing costs 23 cents. 23 cents, that's actually $23 for one contract. So that's, I mean, you can go for that. And that's what a lot of people, retirees in the US, they need, because they're out of work, but they don't want to risk a lot of capital up front. So you trade options. That's the name of the game. You trade options. You hear, you listen to these guys on Benzinga, for example. They're like, oh, it's a trader's market. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it means that you cannot take positions, but in order for you to make money with little money, you need leverage. Okay, that's the reality of the game. Let me just write it down. Where's the pencil here? Where's that thing? Okay, hold a second. Again, where's the pencil? I'm supposed to have the pencil, but I'm just pausing the video so I can get the pencil. Okay, I think I got it now. Okay, fine. So you need leverage. Now, if you use leverage correctly, yeah, you can actually make more money with less money. That's the purpose of options. Now, options, always remember, options were created as a hedge. It's a hedge. It's for you to protect your portfolio. But of course, retail came up with the idea, okay, let's do this and speculate. Let's gamble. That's fine. I mean, we all need to make money, so there's no problem with that. So the point is, I take $23. With this $23, I'm actually controlling 100 shares of RIOT blockchain. Ticker symbol RIOT. That's it. Now, $23, I can look to double my money. Now, I use a basic idea. It's not exactly what you have to think it will happen, but just give you a little bit of guidance. Like, for example, by the beginning of October, this whole thing right there, it was 90 cents. So I may think if we actually keep moving and the price action during the weekend tells us Bitcoin is bullish. Let me just take this all out. Okay. Price action is bullish. This is bullish. It's above the level of October. That's bullish. Under this level, short term will just be bearish. But as long as it's above 20,480 points, Bitcoin, it's absolutely bullish. Okay. So simple ways for me to take this trade. I take $23, probably a little bit more, could be 25 bucks. And I look to at least double my money. Now, of course, if you take this with $100, that same story. You bought it at 23. If you buy at 23, you're looking to sell at 46.50 cents. And that's how you make the money with Bitcoin. So guys, this is a basic video, just how to make money off Bitcoin without trading Bitcoin. Or my favorite is actually how to make money from Bitcoin and not trading Bitcoin. Either way, There's a bunch of ways right now, a bunch of methods that you can use to trade and kind of be very lucrative from what's happening in the crypto space. And absolutely, you have to think like, okay, this thing keeps going up all the way. Why not? Not a big science. All the way to 22,800 points. Definitely, you have to think, okay, RIOT will continue, probably go to $8. Why not? Probably $9.90. So for me, every week will be the same. Like right now, what I will do, for example, also, I will prepare the week after. And let's say I put $100 on this one, and then I put $100 on the week after. So if I think it's going to continue, I just take the same RIOT blockchain. There you go. And the idea behind these videos is that you don't need $20,000. You don't need to buy fraction at Coinbase or Binance. You can do this in the U.S. stock market trading U.S. options. And that's pretty simple. So next week, November 11, I have more time. So I think probably it can move to $8.50. Probably just take the $9. And $9 is 10 cents. 10 cents is $10. A little bit of action here. Not too much so far. But if it continues going, moving higher, you bet that people will pop. Now, for example, this one, it's the low was 9 cents. It closed at 12. So I will right away on Monday, today's Sunday, tomorrow Monday. So right there, I will go ahead and put another $100 and I will be looking to sell, why not, at 40, for example. So that's another trade. And I can look to make $300 from my money. So I put $100, buy at 12. Okay, so 12. That probably be 12, 24, 24, 36, 36, 48. At 48, okay, at 48 cents, call it 50. At 48 cents, if I bet $100, okay, that's my base, I will be looking to take home $300, okay? Simple way to do it. Now, if I lose only $100. And this is exactly why a lot of baby boomers, again, retirees, or if you're in college and you want to start trading, this is the best way for you to start trading because you just put a little bit of money up front to look for the big payout. And this is called asymmetric risk. Let me repeat that. Asymmetric risk. And you can get that right now because no one thinks that Bitcoin is going to go moving lower. A lot of people will talking about like Bitcoin's going to 10,000. But if you're a contrarian, that's the way it works. So guys, 2 ideas today. Sunday, doesn't matter. We just have to grind. And plus, the cryptocurrencies are open. So it's a weekend indicator. If you're not trading currencies, cryptocurrencies over the weekend, you can start learning that. We'll talk more about that in future videos. But the core of the Market Surveillance Alliance is for you to understand how to trade options, the beauty of it, and how much money you can potentially make on weekly basis. Guys, this is so thank you so much. I'm gonna just have some breakfast. If you like the video, hey, don't be shy, reach out, have questions, ideas. If you trade Tesla, I also think that there's a great opportunity with Tesla. A few of my buddies and myself were trading Tesla. I'm not a big fan though. I just like to buy shares of Tesla and buy the dips and just keep buying because I truly believe in the goal of the company. I truly believe also in the ideas of Elon. So I mean, the man is a little bit crazy, but good crazy. That's what we need. Good crazy, and think about a better future for everyone. I'm gonna let you go, guys. I'm gonna have breakfast, and I talk to you soon. Okay? I probably come with that Tesla video later today. Okay? Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget. Okay?